Ibom Air saves passenger from lynching by other passengers. On Wednesday, January 8, 2025, an Ibom Air flight scheduled to depart Uyo for Abuja at 5:30 p.m. faced an unprecedented disruption caused by one passenger's unruly behavior. Her actions, captured by frustrated passengers on board, led to the loss of valuable time, money, and opportunities for 89 other travelers. The incident also caused Ibom Air to incur millions of naira in losses and a major scheduling crisis. Earlier at check-in, all passengers had been informed of potential luggage delays due to weight restrictions. Those with luggage above 20 kilograms signed indemnity forms, while others with smaller bags were verbally notified that their luggage might arrive on the next flight. Among those informed was this disruptive passenger, who had agreed to the arrangement. However, once on board, she noticed her bag was not among those loaded onto the aircraft. She angrily disembarked and declared that unless her bag was loaded, nobody would fly. Despite interventions by FAAN's Aviation Security AFSEC team and the pilot, she refused to relent. The pilot even offered to accommodate her checked-in bag in the cabin, but its size made this impossible. Time was ticking, as Uyo operates as a sunset airport where the airspace shuts down after dark. Even with this urgency, the passenger persisted. When AVSEC requested she leave the flight, she pretended to retrieve her handbag from the cabin, only to block the aisle and prevent the aircraft from departing. Among the passengers were an infant and a professional chef traveling to meet a high-profile client in Abuja. Despite their pleas, she refused to budge until the airspace closed, forcing the pilot to cancel the flight. At this point, tempers flared. Other passengers, now enraged, attempted to confront the disruptive individual. Thanks to the quick intervention of Ibom Air personnel, led by Amaka Echetabu and Ivy the situation was diffused and the passengers' safety was secured. The aftermath. The cancellation resulted in significant costs for Ibom Air: refreshments, transportation for Uyo residents, and hotel accommodations for out-of-town passengers.
She's inside, wearing white shirt and glasses, refusing a whole flight to fly because all her bags were not on the airline. That is her. That is the one woman that has stopped a whole plane from moving. I don't live in Uyo. I don't live in Uyo. This is what has happened. Many of us, we don't live in Uyo. We don't live in Uyo. See us coming down. Because of one person. See all of us on ground. Some of us came from far for this flight. Some people don't live in Ibom, and it's getting late. It's night. We are waiting for her to come down. Let her come down. Why is she still in the plane? Why is she still in the plane? Why is she still there? Why is she still in the plane? Why is she still in the plane? She go come down now. Let's plane go carry only her. So what time are we moving? Ibom Air. I don't know. Where are you people lodging us? Where? I have a 5 a.m. flight out of Abuja tomorrow. I don't live in Nigeria. Stay in Uyo. What's the accommodation plan for us? First of all, can we have everybody? We are waiting for her to come down. I don't know why she's still there. Why is she? And she was saying, I won't agree. Why is she still inside the plane?
Why is she staying there?
Why wasn't she deported? Why wasn't she deported? And the pilot said, I cannot solve the matter with her, so I'm going to cancel the flight because he couldn't solve it. And we have security in the airport, and we couldn't deport one passenger. When I was coming, all 4 of my bags were left behind in Abuja. I did not stop the plane from moving. She insisted all her bags were inside.
They would have taken it out.
People, we are all coming down. See all of us.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Calm down, Temper.
Senior security get airport me.
Yes, no, we have, man. But please, nobody knew why it happened. It could be with something better. Please, let's Temper.
You know I've lost my ticket with British Airways.
Today.
Because I'm flying tomorrow morning by 5. It is now a no-show for me. How am I going to get? Who is going to give me the money that I'm going to pay for my ticket again? Will Ibom give me back my?
They will not. They were ready to fly. They had to fly. They didn't.
Can you tell this aircraft to move?
They can't move. Wait there. Can't move now.
So I have lost a whole ticket. I've lost a ticket right
I
now.
understand what you completely, but then who knows why?
There is no who knows why. Pilot had announced we are about going, only to hear fracas down.
That's our problem. Nobody knows why. It could be something that is saving you, something we never imagined could happen.
We are waiting for her.
No, please.
We are waiting for her.
In the airport, they won't allow you to beat somebody.
She will follow us inside the hall. She will follow us inside the hall.
This is the owner.
This is the lady that stopped this flight from going to Abuja. I'm posting it on my Instagram page, and I'm going to tag Ibom Air. I am posting it on my Instagram page, and we are going to tag Ibom Air. Look at her. You on board a whole flight for one human being. We are following you. Better face this camera now, because it's going on Instagram. It's going on Twitter. Look at her. Everybody has got a knife. Why didn't you deport her? No, we are following her. See her, Gaddy. She see her. If my phone drops, if you drop my phone, when she was see her.
That will kill you. A bad woman. You can't be a lawyer.
Only God knows what she planned for this flight.
You cannot be a lawyer.
This is her. Because of her, I've missed my British Airways flight. My British Airways flight tomorrow morning, I've missed it because of you. Are you going to give me almost £2,000 to pay for that? Are you going to give me?
Where stories unfold. NjenjeMedia TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe. Connects us together, no matter the road. Oh, just rise, hear the